Hello, this is Jack Slingerland from Kernl.us, and I'm going to show you how to use Kernel to provide updates to your premium WordPress plugin or theme. So to get started, you need to have a theme. I have a test one here called my Super Great Theme. It is a child theme of the 2020 WordPress theme. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is create an entry in Kernel. So to do that, we go to Kernel and we log in, and if you are not yet registered, go ahead and do that. You go to the themes menu and we create a theme. So this is called my super great theme. The slug needs to match the folder name of my plugin, so my super great theme. And what is this? This is my super great theme. Okay, then you save. So far, so good. Okay, after that, you are taken to the theme detail page. You can see a bunch of stuff here: versions, downloads, analytics, licenses, Git builds. Nothing is here right now because you do not yet have a version uploaded. So let's do that. The first thing you'll need is this theme update check.php file. This is how Kernel integrates with WordPress. So you click that and it'll download, and we'll come back to that. After that, you need to copy the code here, and we will go back to Visual Studio. And you drop the kernel instantiation code in your functions.php file for your theme. Okay, so we do that, and then fix the indentation. All right, next you'll notice that we don't yet have theme update check in the root of our folder here, so we'll go ahead and copy that from downloads where that went to. We need the name, theme update check. All right, there we go. So we'll copy that and put it in my theme folder. Paste. Okay, so that's it for creating the theme. So it'll, when the theme runs, it'll instantiate the update checker, and then that allows us to check for updates. So the next thing we need to do is upload this first version of our theme to Kernel. So to do that, we go ahead and zip the entire folder. Don't select each file and zip them, zip the entire folder. So we do that. Okay, and then we have the zip file. So we go back to Kernel, and we can hide this installation stuff now, and we upload a new version. This version is 1.0.0, and we upload this zip that we just created. Hit save. Okay, so now you'll see that we have version 1 on Kernel, which is great. So let's go ahead and install this version of our theme. So I have a local WordPress install over here where I will add this theme. So I'm going to upload, choose, and this is the theme that I just uploaded, Kernel, and install, and we'll activate. All right, so you can see my super great theme. If we go to details, it is version 1, so that's great. Next, we need to create a new version so we can see how kernel updates work. So the first thing you do is you go in here and you bump the version. So we're bumping to version 1.01. After that, you need to go ahead and delete this zip file that we just created and create a new zip file because we updated our theme, therefore we need a new zip. So you can press it. Then we go back to Kernel, add a new version, 1.0.1, upload our new theme file, and save. Okay, so you see we have version 1.0.1. And if we go to our updates here and we check again, there we go. Okay, so now we have a new update here. The reason that happened is Kernel has some pretty aggressive caching, so sometimes it may take a few seconds for your theme to update to show up. So we select it, update it, and it updates your theme. So now if we go to Appearance, we can go to Theme Details, and we'll see that we are now at theme 1.01. And that is how you use Kernel to distribute updates to your premium WordPress theme.